In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Microsoft Outlook and Teams. It's a feature-packed process that's really straightforward once you get the hang of it. Whether you're planning a quick chat with a colleague or scheduling an extensive team meeting, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to Outlook.com using your favorite web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account to access all the functionalities. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Teams icon. Click on it to open up the Microsoft Teams interface. Teams is highly integrated with Outlook, making it seamless to manage your calendars and schedule meetings effortlessly across both platforms. When you're in Teams, your next stop is the Calendar tab, which you can find in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. The Calendar tab is your hub for viewing scheduled events, checking availabilities, and, of course, creating new meeting invites. With a glance, you can see your current week's schedule, making it easier to find a suitable time slot for everyone. Now, for the fun part, scheduling your meeting. Head over to the top right corner of the calendar page where you'll locate the new meeting button. Clicking on this will open up a new window where you'll fill in all necessary details for your upcoming meeting. You'll want to start by giving your meeting a clear and descriptive title. This not only helps your attendees understand what the meeting is about, but also ensures that it stands out in their calendars. Moving on, it's time to invite the attendees. You can do this by typing their names or email addresses into the invitees field, adding multiple people as needed. This feature is incredibly useful whether you're arranging a one-on-one session or a large team meeting, as it automatically fits into everyone's schedule accordingly. The next step involves selecting the date and time for your meeting. Choose a time slot that aligns comfortably with your and your attendees' schedules. Double check that the respective time zones are correctly aligned if you're meeting with participants in different regions, and make sure your date and time don't clash with other appointments. Once all these details are in place, you're ready to finalize the meeting invitation. Look for the Send button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the window. By clicking Send, you're effectively scheduling the meeting and dispatching invitations to all attendees. There you have it, an easy and efficient way to schedule a meeting using Outlook and Teams. This process ensures every participant has a clear understanding of when and where as the meeting will take place with minimal fuss. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.